Top 5 Best Smart Locks in 2024. Product Images. Number 1. XSDTS Tuya Digital Smart Door Lock. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders. Reviews. Rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 2. YRHAND Electronic Smart Door Lock. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 3. Automatic Fingerprint Smart Door Lock with Camera. Orders. Reviews. Rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 4. RAYKUBE Waterproof Electronic Smart Door Lock. Features: IP65 waterproof, unlock methods, app options, Tuya, TT lock, fingerprint, password, smart card, key unlock, Tuya app, TT lock remote control, Tuya Wi-Fi version, 8 language voices easy to set up, temporary password timed password support normal open mode, access free, virtual password anti-peeping unlock supported. Mechanical keys and emergency power supply, USB, can be used when the door lock is out of power, universal. For left and right doors, suitable for 28 to 55 mm door thickness. 24 sizes of mortise lock available. Number 5. Facial Recognition Automatic Door Lock. Facial Recognition Automatic Door Lock Tuya Front Door Fingerprint Smart Lock Digit Camera Visible Inner Screen. The smarter way to protect your home. Access by digital door viewer. Capture M1 card, fingerprint, passcode, wristband or key, bulletin doorbell. Backup USB external power supply interface, in case the power is dead. Available mortise 6068 mortise/6068 with hook mortise. Door thickness 40-100 mm. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.